Okay, we're filming. Yeah, I did. Okay.
The report's 12.
The snow was so bad I had to get a ride from Gabe, who was crazy. Look at Kmart parking lot. Look at that. Look at that car. I don't think that car's getting out anytime soon. Look at all this snow.
It'll be melted in 3 days.
Oh, more.
3 days, Billy.
You think so?
I don't know.
I hope it's sooner than that so I can get my motorcycle out. Taco John's. Watch for this guy. Hey, there's my dad right there. Dad, what the hell are you doing?
You drove that all the way from
Jim,
Australia?
yes.
Crazy.
What's he doing, Bill? I think he's right. He's crazy. Emily, till at our table. Yeah, they're already starting to melt these roads.
The main ones.
Yeah, the side ones are awful. I don't think nobody expected this. Dave, did you expect it?
No.
He said no.
Oh boy. What's the semi doing?
We get in a wreck. We got it on video. DOT broke down. Oh my gosh, did you see that?
So plowed.
What is wrong with people today? You can't see the sign.
Just go to bed, try again tomorrow.
Yeah, no kidding. Let's just forget about this day and I'll go home. I don't have TV, my signal went out.
Yeah, my internet.
Okay, that guy's not quite sure. He's a little pumpkin in that car. I'll be nice.
Oh. We're not stopping. Can't even see the lights.
That guy, Denny, he's trying to clear out. Look at these fools. Not Denny, I mean, but these guys are trying to clear out. He gave me the thumbs up. That means he's... Okay, here's Main Street, Cherokee. About 4 days after spring. What is the date today? 25th?
I grilled 2 nights ago.
Yeah.
Out in shorts and sandals.
I had my motorcycle out about till 5:30 last night. I want to see Gabe go drive down in the middle of this. He would
Oh,
too.
you want to hit some drift, do you?
Oh God, here we go. Hang on, people.
This one was close.
Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Ready, Bill?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, here, let me get this. No, you're not going to do that, are you? Oh my gosh. That's good video right there, boys. Crazy bastard.
Here, I'll let you out. I'm going to park on the side.
Okay. I got to end this one.